What if every app on every device was open source? How would that reshape innovation, security, and the way app developers make money? Let's explore a world where transparency is mandatory. Open source doesn't just mean free to use. It means anyone can view, modify, and improve the code. In today's world, open source powers much of the internet, from operating systems like Linux to frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. By sharing code, developers everywhere can build on each other's progress, leading to rapid experimentation and breakthrough features. Imagine an era where small startups and hobbyists stand alongside tech giants, because everyone has equal access to the building blocks of innovation. When code is open, security becomes a double-edged sword. On the plus side, vulnerabilities can be spotted and patched quickly by a vigilant global community. Bugs don't have to wait for a single company to issue fixes. Peer review means higher code quality. But here's the flip side. Attackers can also see those vulnerabilities. If teams aren't lightning fast about updates, open flaws may be exploited before they're patched. Plus, not every open source project gets regular attention. Unmaintained code can turn into a field full of hidden mines. Transparency helps, but security relies on maintenance. Outdated code and neglected dependencies pose serious risks. So, with every app's code out there for anyone to use, how do developers make a living? Open source has already inspired creative business models, support and services. Companies like Red Hat sell help, not software, offering consulting, updates, and reliability guarantees. Open Core Dual Licensing. A basic version is open and free, while premium features or enterprise tools come at a cost. Think GitLab or MySQL. Cloud hosting and subscriptions. The app's code may be free, but you pay for the easiest or most powerful way to use it. Donations and sponsorships. Projects like Wikipedia survive on the goodwill of their users. Advertising and partnerships. Some apps make money by showing ads or collaborating with businesses. Developers would need to adapt. And the biggest change? With no secrets, the focus shifts to service, community, and continuous improvement. A world where every app is open source would be more innovative, with faster progress and broader participation. Potentially more secure, but only if communities remain vigilant. Challenging for old-school profit models, but rich with opportunities for those who adapt. The rules of the game, and the game itself, would fundamentally change. Would you trust every app if you could read its code? How would you support your favorite developers? The debate is open,